What are you doing? You leave that cat alone. Don't even think about it. Come on. Don't bother the little one. I will beat the crap out of you. Hey. Don't even think about it.